My name is Lara, and today I'm going to be guiding you through meditation for healing of the heart. In our lives, we all encounter with different uncomfortable situations or people that hurt us. Often we can't let go of the pain, so we carry it with us, including all of the memories attached to those events. That has a negative effect on our heart chakra and energy, which is drained from our bodies. The purpose of today's meditation is to let go of all negative memories and traumas so that you can heal your heart and fill it with love that comes from the highest source. Make yourself comfortable. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to completely relax. Focus on breathing. Notice how your chest gently rises and falls with every exhalation. You're more and more relaxed. Continue to breathe deeply as you slowly get in touch with yourself. The outside world is no longer important. Now you're the only one who exists. You're going to descend to your heart chakra. Ahead of you, you notice beautiful stairs with golden fans that lead to your heart. You slowly start walking down the stairs. You're going deeper and deeper. You arrive to the big golden gates that open and you enter in the holy space of your heart. You see before you big emerald that shines in the most beautiful green color that you've ever seen. This is your center. This is you. You notice that the emerald is surrounded by a big cloud of dark color that's preventing him from shining in all of his beauty. This dark cloud represents all of your pain, traumas, and bad, hurtful memories. You're determined that you're going to let go of all the pain that was holding you back because you realize that you don't need it anymore. In your thoughts, repeat to yourself 3 times. go from my heart all of the painful memories, resentments, and traumas. Now I let go from my heart all of the painful memories, resentments, and traumas. Now I let go from my heart all of the painful memories, resentments, and traumas. You see how the cloud of dark, heavy energy starts to move towards the golden gates and away from your heart. In it, you see all of the events and people that hurted you. Don't be afraid to confront the pain, because you're facing it with the intention of healing. You feel an enormous sense of relief because you're freeing yourself from everything that has ever hurt your beautiful heart. Watch the cloud so long until it completely disappears. You look at the big emerald that represents your heart center. Now it shines much brighter because the pain is gone. It can no longer limit him. You are free. Feel the sense of freedom in every cell of your body. Now it's time that your heart fills with unconditional love from the highest source. Through the golden gates starts flowing pearly white light, surrounds the emerald and fills whole place around him. Feel the love. You are so very loved. You are free. You feel like your heart expanded beyond your body. Now you are love. Enjoying this feeling for a couple of moments, then thank the Creator for the gift of love He's given you. You slowly start walking back to the golden door, but before you leave sacred space of your heart, turn around and look at the beautiful emerald with awareness that you are pure love. As you exit, the gate slowly closes behind you. You start walking up the stairs and back into this reality. You feel your body and start to be aware of your surroundings. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Connect with Mother Earth. Feel how her healing energy enters through your feet and moves up through all of the chakras to the crown chakra at the top of your head. Now you can open your eyes.